Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create scrolling text like this on CapCut PC. So it's really easy to do. I will repeat the step for you. I want to delete this clip. So I click text and then click this default text. So and then I will repeat the default text on the text here. So make it much longer than before. This is only for dummy demonstration for you. Okay, I think it's enough. Now I have very long text written default text. Now I want to make it scroll from the top to the bottom. So first thing you have to do, you make it on the top text like this on the first show of your text. Make sure it's on the top. And then you have to add a keyframe on the position. So the keyframe must be on the position like this. You find position and then you just click this keyframe, add keyframe, and then you move your timeline into the end of the clip and then click again the position to add a keyframe. So it's already added a keyframe on the end of my timeline here. So I will move the text until the bottom like this. See, so I will play the timeline for you. It seems too fast. If it is too fast for you, you just extend the timeline. I will make it for 7 seconds, and then I will move the keyframe till the end of the frame, to the timeline, to the clip. So I play again. As you can see, now I already create a scrolling text on CapCut PC. CapCut PC, really easy to do. So that's it guys. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel or you just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.